Hello friends, today we are going to learn about some typical example of first chapter index number, section F, page number 55, example number 6. The data about index numbers and weights for groups of items for the living of industries workers in Ahmedabad city in the year 2014 and 2015 are as follows. Find the cost of living index number of industrial workers. If the wages of workers are increased by 5% in the year 2015, then is this the rise sufficient to compensate the rise in the price in the year 2015? So in this example, index number and weights is given of the workers working in industries and living in Ahmedabad cities. So here 2 years is given 2014 and 2015. And we have to find cost of living index. So cost of living index formula, that is sigma IW and sigma W. Now here factory decided that there is an increase in the salary wages in workers 5%. So we have to find that the 5% increase in wages, it is a sufficient for living their life. So here information is given. Look, group is given: food, fuel, housing, clothing and missing expense. Weight is given index number of 2014 and index number is given 2015. So weight means W, index number of 2000 I, so IW. In this example, we have to find cost of living index for 2014 as well as 2015. So 270 into 31, that is 8,370. 14 into 168, that is 2,352. 205 into 22, that is 4,510. 10 into 174, 303 into 23, that is 6,969. Now total of sigma IW, that is 23,941. Now 2015 index. So first letter of index, that is I. W is same. So I into W. 31 into 281, that is 8,711. 14 into 178, that is 2,492. 210 into 22, that is 4,620. 177 into 10, 1,770. 337 into 23, that is 7,751. Total of sigma IW, that is 25,344. Now cost of living index is required. So cost of living index. So here we have to apply the formula, that is sigma IW upon sigma W. In 2014 sigma IW 23,941 upon sigma W that is 100. So 239.41. In 2015 25,344 upon 100, that is 253.44. So cost of living index of 2014 239.41, 2015 that is 253.44. So how much increase in the index of cost of living index we have to find? So increase, difference between 214 and 15, that is 14.03. Now we have to find how much increase in percentage. 2014 और 2015 में कितना इंक्रीज हुआ वो तो आपको मालूम हो गया, लेकिन कितने परसेंटेज इंक्रीज हुए दैट वी हैव टू फाइंड. So here we have to apply one condition for that. If 2014 index 239.41, then increase 14.03, so 100 question mark. So that is how much increase? That is 5.86. So cost of living index is increase, that is 5.86. अगर कॉस्ट ऑफ लिविंग इंडेक्स 5.86% इंक्रीज हुआ तो उनकी वेजेस भी 5.86% इंक्रीज होनी चाहिए. लेकिन फर्स्ट लाइन में क्या लिखा है? Condition here, if the wages of workers are increased by 5% in the year 2015, is this rise sufficient to compensate the rise in the price in the year 2015? तो अगर कॉस्ट ऑफ लिविंग इंडेक्स 5.86% इंक्रीज हुआ है तो उनकी वेजेस भी 5.86% इंक्रीज होनी चाहिए. लेकिन आप उनकी वेजेस सिर्फ 5% इंक्रीज कर रहे हो, वेजेस लेस देन कॉस्ट ऑफ लिविंग इंडेक्स. सो इंक्रीज इन द वेजेस इज नॉट सफिशिएंट in this case. So here we have to write increase in cost of living index 5.86% and increase in wages only 5% in the year 2015 is not sufficient for cost of living. So in this example, group is given food, fuel, housing, clothing and missing expense. Weight is given. We have to index 2014 as first letter of index I, so IW. Here 2015 IW. Cost of living index is equal to sigma IW upon sigma W. So in 2014 239.41, 2015 253.44. So increase in 2014 and 15 14.03. But we have to find how much percentage increase, कितना percentage increase हुआ वो आपको find करना है. So if 2014 index 239.41, then increase is 14.03. So 100 question mark. So increase in cost of living 5.86%. But here factory only increase in wages 5%. So increase in cost of living index 5.86% and increase in wages only 5%, which is not sufficient for workers for their cost of living. Example number 10. The index number of food, clothing among the different groups of cost of living are 150 and 224.7 respectively. For the year 2015, the price of fuel has increased by 20%. The expense on rent has increased from 4,000 to 6,000, and miscellaneous expense increased by 1.75 times. If the expenditure for the first four groups are 40%, 18%, 12% and 20% respectively, find the cost of living index number for the year 2015 and interpret it. So in this example, we have to find cost of living index. So 5 items which is related with living, that is given. So first group food is given. We have the information about food. Then second is the clothing. Then fuel information is given. Rent is given. And miscellaneous expenditure is given. Very important example. Page number 57. Example number 10 is given in section F. The index number of food and clothing among the different groups of cost of living are 150. So food index is given 150 and clothing index is given 224.7. Now fuel, here the price of fuel has increased by 220%. So price of fuel increased by 220%. As we all know that base year index is always 100, and in 2015 222% increase. So we have to add in 100. So solve the calculation for you. Look here, fuel. Base year index, that is 100, and in 2015 increase to 20%. So 100 plus 220, that is 320 index in the year 2015. Now the expense on rent has increased from 4,000 to 6,000. Now rent expense increased 4,000 to 6,000. So rent base year 4,000 and current year 6,000. So two price is given. So base year price is denoted by P0 and current year price denoted by P1. So this is P0 and P1, and whenever P0 and P1 is given, so we apply the formula of I. I is equal to P1 upon P0 into 100. 6000 upon 4000 into 100, that is 150. And miscellaneous expense means missing expense, you can say. Miscellaneous expense increased by 1.75 times. So miscellaneous expense 1.75 times, that is different thing. And miscellaneous expense increased by 1.75 times, that is different thing. अगर ऐसा लिखा कि miscellaneous expense 1.75 टाइम्स है और increased 1.75 times, that is different. Only 1.75 times what is given. So base year index is 100. 100 into 1.75, that is 175. But increased by 1.75 times. So we have to add 100 in 175, that is 275. So here miscellaneous expense, base year index, that is 100, and increase 1.75 times, that is 175. So 100 plus 175, that is 2.75. सिर्फ 1.75 टाइम्स होता तो 100 इंटू 175 175, लेकिन इंक्रीज लिखा है तो 100 ऐड करना पड़ेगा, दैट इज 275. Now, if the expenditure for the first four groups is given, so expenditure means W weightage is given. So they spend 40% behind food. So percentage in expense, that is W 40. For clothing 18%. For fuel 12%. For rent 20%. But expenditure behind missing expense is not given. But we all know that percentage is always dependent on 100. So here they spend 40% behind food, 18% for clothing, 12% from fuel, and 20% for rent. So that is 90%. Out of 100%, if we deduct 90%, so remaining 10% they spend for miscellaneous expenditure. So that is 10. Now 100. So I into W 150 into 46,000. 224.7 into 18, that is 4044.6. 320 into 12, 3840. 150 into 20, that is 3000. 275 into 10, that is 2750. Sigma IW total 19,634.8. Now the cost of living index, that is sigma IW upon sigma W, 19,634.8 upon 100, that is 136. 0.35. Now how much increase in the year 2015? Our base year index is always 100, but in the year 2015 cost of living index 196.35. So increase in cost of living index, that is 196.35 minus 100, that is 96.35 in the year 2015. So here increase in cost of living index in the year 2015, 196.35 minus 100, that is 96.35%. Again I repeat, very important example. So the index number of food is given 150, clothing is given 224.7. So two indexes already given. Now fuel, the word is given. The price of fuel increased by 220%. So base year index is always 100 and 220% increase. So 100 plus 220, that is 320. If increase word is given, then we have to add in 100. If decrease word is given, then we have to deduct from 100. Now the expense on rent has increased from 4,000 to 6,000. So rent base year price, that is 4,000, and current year price 6,000. Base year price is denoted by P0 and current year price, that is P1. So whenever P0 and P1 is given, so just we have to apply the formula. I is equal to P1 upon P0 into 100, that is 150. Now miscellaneous expense increased by 1.75 times. Increased word is given. Base year index 100 and 1.75%, 1.75% increase, 1.75 times increase. So 100 into 175, 175. So 100 plus 175, that is 275. Here, now they spend here. If the expenditure for the first 4 groups are given 40%, now they spend 40% behind food, 18% for clothing, 12% for fuel, 20% for rent. But in this example, how much they spend behind miscellaneous expense, that is not given. But we all know that percentage is always 100. 40%, 18%, 12 and 20, that is 90%. They spend 90% behind food, clothing, fuel and rent. So remaining 10% they spend behind miscellaneous expenditure. I into W, IW, cost of living index is equal to sigma IW upon sigma DW. So 196.35. So here there is an increase in cost of living index in the year 2015. 196.35 minus 100, that is 96.35%.